Here we have this 2018 68 plate BMW 330i M Sport Shadow Edition. Now with this vehicle you do get your diamond cuts 19-inch alloy wheels with the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. We have your LED headlights of the black Kinder Girls, full M Sport styling kits, so you get the black front splitter, side skirt extensions, rear boot spoiler and also a rear diffuser. You do get your front and rear parking sensor with visual display, dual exit exhaust flush with a rear bumper and also the rear diffuser. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and rear does look superb from every angle. Taking a quick look into the rear of the car, you'll be able to find you do have your full Dakota leather seats throughout the ice fixed points and pull down armrest. You have the integrated premium integrated Harman Kardon speaker with your electric windows. Going to the front, you have your full Dakota leather front seats. Now both front seats have the extended 5-spot, very comfortable indeed. You have your electric windows, integrated Harman Kardon, auto lights just down there. Jumping inside, multifunction steering wheel, paddle shift if we wish to take the car into manual mode, and you have cruise control and speed limiter. As you can see, the vehicle is free from any warning lights on the dashboard and it's covered just over 37,880 miles. Screen in the centre where you can see satellite navigation, you have your Bluetooth media, Bluetooth audio connectivity, DAB radio, visual display of your front and rear parking sensors. You also have your dual zone climate control down there, the ice cold aircon, different drive modes. You've got Eco, Pro, Comfort, Sports and Sports Plus, soft touch leather armrest, and let's look at the passenger's front seat. Now this vehicle is available to take away today, free contactless nationwide next day delivery. HBI Clear comes with fresh service, new MOT, and we offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching.